I'm a wanted man.
Race cars are the most exciting things that gets me all hyped up because it is so cool that it can make even the most hated car in the car community, Toyota Prius, into the most radical, great looking and weirdest car on the track, the Toyota Prius GT300. And in this video I'll tell you what makes up the difference between a race car slash track car and a normal street legal supercar or any other car in general. Hello people and welcome back.
You can't sleep neither. Let's not sleep together. You can't sleep neither. Let's not sleep together.
Now before we start, I want to mention that as this list was going to be a long one, so I've decided to make 3 parts for this topic because the long video which I've uploaded on this channel is not working out. And of course, this list is all about the things I know, and I hope you get to learn something new about cars. So, race cars, all it has is power, aerodynamics, stiff body, uncomfortable seats, and danger. So, going in high speeds while taking corners may fly you out. So, you need grip and downforce. So, wide meaty tires will help the car to maintain grip at high speeds. But applying those wide tires may increase the drag as some portion of the tire will stick out under the road legal fenders of the car. So wide bodying it will help to decrease drag at top speeds. And if you are wondering why open wheels increases drag, because for example Formula 1 cars cannot go into their potential top speeds because of it being open wheel. And this is because the air rushing onto the wheels disrupts the pressure exerted by the wheels, which creates drag. And widening a race car can prevent rollovers in a crash, which is a plus point. Speaking of crashes, you already know racing is the most dangerous sport.
Here we go. Oh my God, the Mercedes has taken off. That's Peter Dumbrecker.
So let's talk about safety roll cage. It can be a simple mod for some people, but it immensely protects drivers in a crash because it acts like a shell to protect the things inside of the car. And the added structural rigidity to the car by the roll cage benefits the car's performance as it prevents body flexing, which can be a drain to performance. If I had a car, I would definitely install this mod because I am 15. Now, if you have seen 90s JDM cars like the Honda NSX, Nissan GTR Skyline R34 and Toyota Supra, their road legal forms look normal, like this one. But if you see the racing versions like Honda NSX GT, Nissan Nismo Skyline GTR R34 and Toyota Supra JGTC, you see them very low as compared to their road versions for low ground clearance, which helps them with aerodynamics. Now let's talk about some uncomfortness like stiff suspension. For peak track performance, you need stiff suspension with nice sway bars as it gives a proper response from all 4 wheels of the car, which means better acceleration and cornering capabilities. And you may not know this, but stiff suspension is also for safety reasons because it reduces rollovers in a crash. So I think I need to stop here now because these things are enough for this part. And don't worry, I have 10 more things in this list to talk about, so please wait for some time. And I have made this video small because I don't get enough time to make these things. Because I'm an Indian and I hate my education system. Also, my exams are here. So please take pity on me and subscribe. Bye.